Today, I'll be making the
chicken burger, and the ingredients are 1/4 kilogram,
ground chicken,
1/2 teaspoon,
salt,
1/2 teaspoon,
pepper,
1/2 tablespoon,
egg,
1/8 cup or 3 tablespoon,
the minced onions,
1/2 tablespoon,
breadcrumbs,
1 tablespoon,
the oil, and instead of using beef, I use
1/4 kilogram,
ground chicken. First, let us put the ground chicken into the mixing bowl. Then, season with to taste pepper and to taste salt. Then, mix the minced onions. Then next, mix the egg. And lastly, the breadcrumbs. Then, mix it using your hands. And after putting all the ingredients, set aside for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, let's divide the chicken mixture into 6 parts. After dividing the chicken mixture, make the chicken mixture into a ball. Then, put it into the tray. Then, do the same with the rest. Then, flatten it to make sure that it will not be so wide in putting it in the
then
burger.
refrigerate for 10 minutes.
Secondly, let us make the spread of the hamburger. First, the ingredients is 1/4 cup of mayonnaise and 1/8 cup of ketchup. First, let us mix the ketchup to the mayonnaise. After dropping the ketchup to the mayonnaise, let us mix the mayonnaise and ketchup well. And here is the finished product of the mixing of ketchup and mayonnaise. Since my ingredients are half only, I would use only 1/4 instead of 1/2 of the cucumber. 1/4 portion. Then after slicing it into 1/4, let us peel the cucumber. Then slice it into small pieces to fit it and form a accompaniment for the burger. Then here's the tomato and slice it into smaller pieces like the cucumber. Slice it into 6 pieces, but this tomato is bigger than the normal tomato, so it can be sliced more than 6. Next, get the cheese and slice it. Since I only need a small portion, I will just divide it into 3 slices. While refrigerating the patty for 10 minutes, let us toast first the buns. First, slice the buns into 2 pieces. Then, let us take a look at first if it is already brown. Then after toasting, do it with the other parts of the bun. After 10 minutes and frying the buns, let us put the oil into the pan, 2 spoons at a time, to make sure that it will not be wasted in one piece only. Let's heat the oil first. Then after the oil is already hot, let us put and fry the chicken patty. Then flip the chicken patty or beef patty when it turns brown, and do not overcook the patty. After the frying of front part, flip it when it is already brown. After several minutes, let us put the browned and cooked patty into the underlined napkin to get the excess oil, to remove the excess oil. Then, do it with the rest. Then, spread the mayonnaise and ketchup into the bread or buns. Spread it into the 2 sides of the bread, the lower part and the upper part. Then do the same with others. After putting the spread into the bread, put the patty, the tomato, and the cucumber and cheese. Then, do it with the rest.
It's yummy.
Dami.